What's the hardest animal on Earth to kill? Most people say the cockroach, others say the crocodile. Some say the immortal jellyfish, the one that's immortal. But you could squish it under your shoe. The real answer is something most people have never even seen. Tiny little thing, 1/2 millimeter, 8 stubby legs, looks like a microscopic bear. It's a tardigrade. It can survive boiling waters and frozen ice for decades, even radiations that would wipe out all humans. Scientists once fired them out of a gun just to see what would happen. Most survived. Then someone had a brilliant idea of launching them into outer space. And you guessed it, now there are tardigrades on the moon. Nobody's checked on them in years. But I bet they're absolutely fine.